Hello, and welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we'll be drawing K from alphabet lore. Let's start off with the K itself. Right around the top left, let's just draw in a line down. And then we're going to go across and start off with the first rectangle towards the top. You want to stop around here and then go back up. Right around here and down. Once you're done with that step, we're going to go back down all the way to the middle right here. And then we want to go back out and down again to match the top. With that piece done, let's go back to this point and match with the top as much as possible for the two rectangles coming out of the K. Continuing our big rectangle, we want to go down and across. I'll give you some time to finish that. And once we go back up, we don't want to go all the way up to connect to here. We want to go stop around here because we're going to add the face for the K. For the face, let's do the mouth first. We're going to go for a big oval. It's going to be a little bit incomplete because we need room for the mouth. So go around, stop around here, and let's add in some of the teeth, like so. Once you're done with that, let's complete the mouth by closing it. And that's looking really good. With the mouth done, we need to fill in the rest of it with the eyes. So let's do the right eye first. It's going to be around here, and we're just going to go for a square, but make sure the square is a little rounded. And then let's add in 2 highlights. And on the left, we want to draw the other eye, but a little bit higher. So let's draw in the square a little higher, and then add in 2 highlights. To spice up the K, let's add in some 3D dimensions. To do that, it's really easy. We're just going to draw in 2 lines across and connect it, like so. Same for this side. 2 lines, connect it to here. Let's draw in 2 more lines, actually 3, and we're just gonna go around and connect all of them. Almost done with that side, and finally the bottom. Your K drawing should be complete. All we really need now is color. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. And if you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.